Seven surprising facts about hair loss. 1. Most common cause of hair loss is heredity, that is, androgenetic alopecia. 2. More than 50% of men have male pattern hair loss by the age of 50. 3. 40% women will have female pattern hair loss by the time they reach menopause. 4. Hereditary pattern baldness is more commonly inherited from the mother's side of the family, but hair loss can actually be inherited from the father's side, the mother's side, or both. 5. Wearing hats, frequent shampooing, clogged pores, or decreased blood flow to the scalp are not the causes of hair loss. 6. Certain drugs that are used to treat cancer, arthritis, depression, heart problems and high blood pressure can cause hair loss. 7. Hair loss due to iron deficiency and thyroid imbalance is reversible with proper treatment.